Hi, my name's Linda, and we recently sold our property through PropertyNow. We were living in Darwin. It's a very difficult market to be selling in Darwin. This is 2018, 2019. So a friend of ours who had previously sold through PropertyNow gave us a great idea, and she said, look, do it this way. Here's a great place to do it through. You'll save money. Don't worry about real estate. Because when you're looking at a difficult market, we were trying to get the most money that we possibly could. So we looked it up and we thought, this seems pretty good. For the price that you get, for the support that you get, we got the for sale sign for out the front. We knew that once we paid that first amount of money, then that was it until the property was sold. Extremely helpful. As soon as I signed up, we got a phone call, can we help you? That was great. Easy to navigate the website. Look, I wouldn't say it was easy for us to sell the property, but PropertyNow certainly made it worthwhile for us to be able to make that huge saving, and just their invested interest in the whole process for us was great to know that we had the support. So thank you to my friend for her reference, and thank you to PropertyNow. Thanks.